Hi, welcome to the video. In this video, we will show the complete walkthrough of our extension FreshBooks integration for Zoho CRM. This extension effectively maintains FreshBooks accounting information right within the Zoho CRM. Avoid dual data entry and save time on managing your financial records in one centralized platform. Now let's see how the extension works. Install the extension from Zoho Marketplace. Our extension installation window will be displayed. Follow the on-screen instructions for successful installation. Once installed, access the extension by navigating the menu bar and selecting the FreshBooks extension. Click on Connect to connect your FreshBooks account with the extension. Then click on Authorize corresponding to Zoho CRM to integrate your Zoho account. Now click on Accept. Once done, it displays the settings page of our FreshBooks integration. For an effective record sync, it is important to configure the settings based on your business needs here. It is flexible to configure your desired record sync, record action, and the desired modules. The Sync Configure tab displays all the supported modules for Zoho CRM, such as contacts, products, invoices, and quotes. You can enable or disable the record sync of any module by clicking on the power button of that module. Also, enable or disable the record actions such as create, update, and delete to sync the module's record based on the enabled record action. For example, if you enable the create and edit switch of the contact module, your contacts will be synced whenever the contact is created and edited. Enable the on-save sync option for an instant record sync from Zoho CRM to FreshBooks whenever the record is saved. Once done, click on Update Configuration. Once done with the configuration, we will go for mapping. Here the Zoho fields and FreshBooks fields are mapped by default. Select the module for which you need to do the mapping. If you want to update mapping or to add custom field mapping, then drag the desired FreshBooks field from the right side widget and drop in the appropriate field of Zoho CRM. Now let's see how the extension works. This is my FreshBooks Clients section. Now I have created a new contact in Zoho CRM. As I have enabled the on-save sync option, it will sync the records instantly to my FreshBooks clients. The next is the Copy to FreshBooks sync. With this type of sync, you can easily sync any individual existing record from Zoho to FreshBooks with a single click. Here I select one of my existing products. On the detailed view of that product, click on Copy to FreshBooks. Now let's check it out. In FreshBooks, navigate to Items and Services. Here you can see my Zoho CRM product has been successfully synced to my FreshBooks. Next, we go for the Historical Sync option. The Historical Sync is the bulk record sync between any specific time period. First, select the desired module you want to sync records. Enter the start date and end date between which you need to sync records, then click on Sync. It displays the list of all the records of the selected modules that need to be synced between specified time intervals. You can verify the list and click on Continue to Sync. Now, all the records between the specified time interval have been successfully synced. Next, navigate to the Audit section. Here, you can track all the sync details and sync statuses on a single page. It is easy to filter the synced record between any particular time interval using this filter option. You can also search any record sync using module name, record name, etc. with this search icon. Keep your financial data synced and updated on both platforms with our FreshBooks integration for Zoho CRM. Hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.